G'day everyone, it's your Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today what I've got for you guys is a review on some work gloves. I find gloves usually get in the way when I'm trying to do up nuts and bolts and all of that kind of jazz, and these came with the 3 fingers cut off and the other 2 on. Now I've used these throughout all of winter and I have to say that they have been really good. So they've been going now for about 10 weeks. They've held up really well over the 10 weeks. I've been picking up lots of timber with them. They've held out. There's no splits in any of the stitching. They do up and undo really quickly and easily. They're comfortable. My hands don't sweat too much in them. And they've got some good grip as well. They are made by Exo Iron Clad. And I believe they're made in Indonesia. Accessibility, I've seen them around in a few places. So I'm going to give them a 9 out of 10 nails for accessibility. For usability, I have to give them a 10 out of 10. These were super awesome to use. Some of the best gloves I've used on site in a long time. And for the cost of them, I think they're maybe $30. I'm not sure because they were given to me. And I've looked at a few other ones and they were around about $25, $35. So for that, awesome work. Worth the weight in gold again. So I'm going to give them a 10. That's an awesome score. An average of 10 out of 10 nails. Ironclad Exo, you guys have nailed this. Thank you very much for these gloves. I love them. Anybody else out there that's looking for a good set of work gloves on site, I can't recommend these enough. If anybody else out there has got any reviews they'd like me to do, please flick them over and I'll have a look for you. If anybody's got any questions about those gloves, flick it over for me and I'll answer them for you best I can when I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.